This AI tool didn't just help me, it replaced my entire job. And now I'm making more money, working less, and doing it all from home. Here's how it happened. I used to work 40+ hours a week as a freelance writer. Constant deadlines, endless revisions, and unreliable clients left me stressed and burnt out. Then I found ChatGPT. At first, I used it to brainstorm, then to draft full articles. Eventually, it was writing cleaner, faster first drafts than I could, with less mental effort. Instead of taking low-paying gigs, I began offering premium AI-assisted content, SEO blog packages, eBooks, and lead magnets, email sequences, and sales pages, and I was delivering 3x faster than before. Clients noticed and paid more. I built a full system powered by AI. ChatGPT writes the core content, Canva designs the visuals, Pictory turns scripts into short videos. With that stack, I launched a content service business and scaled from $500 a month to $5,000 a month in just 3 months. AI didn't take my job, it became my coworker. It works 24/7, doesn't burn out, and helped me level up my income and lifestyle. Want to do the same? Subscribe to Digital Cash Empire One for weekly step-by-step guides to turn AI into income, even if you're just starting. Replace your job, not your freedom.